Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, let's discuss in details about the latest off-campus recruitment from Med Plus. So this profile is for trainee software engineer profile, which is for totally for freshers. There are other vacancies as well: senior software engineer, then your UI developer, front end developer, full stack developer. But yeah, you can check out as per your eligibility criteria. I will discuss about the trainee software, which is for freshers. So the eligibility criteria is that any graduate or postgraduate with good analytical and coding skills can appear for this, and year of graduation should be 2019, 20 and 2021. Knowledge of core computer science concepts and your data structures and algorithms and operating systems should be required. As per your skills. Then C or Java or Python they require as a programming language. Familiar with web development, HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, etc. Good and logical reasoning and flexibility to adapt the change in environment workplaces. So this is the skills required. Application process: you apply as soon as possible, and yeah, the shortlisted candidates will be asked for the written test. Then shortlisted candidates who have received the SMSs or email will visit this link, and then confirmation needs to be done by 8th October, and then based on your performance you will be asked for the in further rounds. And if you are not if you have not cleared the exam and you're not selected, you'll get a regret email as well. So evaluation processes: first round is the written test, then second round is online HR round, fine HR assessment, and shortlisted candidates will they'll let you know. Then compensation, the salary package is 5.5 CTC, and yes, retention bonus they will give you 50,000, which is inclusive. And apart from this, you can go through in details. There should be a service agreement. This is a main point: service agreement of 2 years. For this profile, you have 60 positions, and Hyderabad will be the location. So make sure that you apply as soon as possible. And any doubt or query, let me know in the comment section about the same, and you can subscribe to the channel for the latest updates as well. Thank you so much guys, have a great day.